If your audio sounds like it's only coming from one side, or it just feels flat and off, there's a good chance your clip is set to mono instead of stereo. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to convert a mono audio clip into proper stereo inside DaVinci Resolve 20, so it sounds balanced and professional. Let's get into it. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page, where your clip is located. Find the audio clip that's giving you issues. Usually you'll notice this problem if sound is only coming from the left or right speaker. Now, right-click directly on the clip in your timeline and select Clip Attributes. A new window will pop up. Go to the Audio tab. Here, you'll see how your audio is currently set up. If it says mono, that's the issue. To convert it properly, change the format from mono to stereo. Now you'll see two channels appear. This is where a lot of people mess up. Make sure both channels are mapped correctly. Set channel 1 to your original audio source, and then set channel 2 to that same source as well. This duplicates your mono audio into both left and right channels, which is what creates a balanced stereo sound. Once that's done, click OK. Now play your clip back in the timeline. You should hear the audio evenly from both sides instead of just one. Quick note, if you're recording with a single mic, this issue is very common. Fixing it this way keeps your audio centered without needing extra plugins or effects. And that's it. Simple fix, but it makes a big difference in how your videos sound. If this helped you out, consider subscribing for more quick and practical editing guides.